There is no better way to protect your home than by keeping a good roof over your head. Whether you're in need of immediate help or just looking to upgrade your roof now to avoid costly repairs later, well, you've come to the right place. We are proud to be the top roofing service around, and we're committed to providing the highest quality of work. Call us today as we would be happy to provide you with a free roof inspection. Don't risk further damage to your home. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.